Right up, well, muli mga kasambay, mga ka-sports, sa third and final game natin ngayong hapon sa first round eliminations ng UNTV Cup Season 3. Muli po, dinalaw tayo dito na Berong de Bombero. Ayan, teka muna, matapos ng matinding labanan sa ating second game, humakot muli ng isang panalo ang Zenith Defenders kontra Ferocious MMDA Black Wolves sa score na 91-80. Ano nangyari sa inyo last time? Ba't di kayo nanalo? Ano no? Di ka yata nag-cheer eh. Nag-cheer ka ba nun? Talaga? Okay. Oh. Baka may sunog na doon sa kabilang bahay ah. Ready ka? Okay, sige. Alright. At sa nakita nating game ng Zenith Defenders gaya ng game kanina at maging sa iba pang mga laro ng Defenders this season, kapansin-pansin ang top performance ng isa sa kanilang mga big men na si Marlon Legaspi. Kaya kikilalanin na siya dito. Saan? Sa ating Heart of a Champion. Nagmula sa isang professional league ng basketball, ngayon ay nanunungkulan sa Zenith of the Philippines ang isa sa mga star players ng Zenith Defenders na si Marlon Legaspi.
Usually naka-detail ako kay Attorney Dasil, pero staff ako ni Senator Angara. Nagsasummary ako ng mga binibigay na mga books ni Sir, mga laws about sa tax. Kasi Senate tax itong office ni Attorney Dasil. Tapos under siya kay Senator Angara na sa committee ang Ways and Means. Kaya dito ako nalagay sa tax. Nag-assist ako sa hearing ni Senator Angara.
Kagaya ng isang mahusay na basketball player, ay nagkaroon ng mga adjustments ang Zenith Defenders Center sa kanyang kasalukuyang trabaho.
Noong una hindi. Kasi wala akong alam sa office works kasi graduate ako ng medtech. May natutunan akong iba. Bukod sa medtech, sa basketball, kung saan ako nanggaling, di ba, as professional.
Hindi man basketball ang naging unang sport ni Marlon, ay naengganyo siya dito sa impluensya ng kanyang ama at tiyuhin na kapwa kilala sa larangan ng basketball sa bansa.
Na-impluensya na ako siguro ng father ko at saka ng uncle ko kasi pareho silang PBA players from Mariwasa at saka sa Toyota. Roberto Legaspi, tatay ko, Emerito Legaspi, tito ko. Actually, volleyball player ako nung una. Hindi ako basketball player. Naengganyo lang kasi nainggit ako sa father ko nga at saka sa tito ko kasi ang dami nilang pictures na nakikita ko na about sa basketball from PBA days saka sa UE. Yun. Tapos, yun, nakapagpalarong pambansa ako nung high school. And then, nung college time, tuminto ako kasi nag-focus ako sa pag-aaral ko sa medtech sa CEU. Nag-start lang ulit ako pagka-graduate ko ng medtech, nag-basketball ako sa MLQU. Yun, doon na nag-start yung parang pinaka-career ko sa basketball. Una, sa MLQU, siyempre yung league nila, yung PUSA, tapos PBL sa Blue Detergent, and then after that, sa San Miguel na, tsaka sa Shell, sa PBL.
At sa pakikiisa ng Zenith Defenders sa UNTV Cup, kung saan isa sa mga inaasahang big men si Marlon, nabigyan siya ng pagkakataong magamit ang husay niya sa basketball upang makabahagi sa public service advocacy ng liga na konsepto ni Kuya Daniel Razon.
Okay siya kasi may natutulungan kang tao. Bukod sa paglalaro mo, bukod sa, siyempre, sa health mo, yun ang pinaka-ano dun sa paglalaro ng basketball. Tsaka hindi ako nawawala sa basketball. As from PBA, tapos hanggang dito, may naglalaro pa rin ako. Hindi ako nawala sa kondisyon. Para kay Kuya Daniel, more power pa sa UNTV Cup. At congratulations na napaka-successful ng mga nakalipas na Season 1 at Season 2. Sana pagpatuloy mo pa itong ganitong klaseng liga.
Si Political Affairs Assistant Marlon Legaspi, ang public servant na may heart of a champion.
Deep pass. Oh, good catch by the big guy. Oh, he got it! Oh, he got it!
I thought that it was a difficult pass.
At ngayon, nakilala natin si Marlon Legaspi. Nakilala mo na si Marlon, ha? Okay, galing, no? Okay. Siguradong mas lalo nating aabangan ang mas pinalakas na puwersa ng Senate Defender sa mga susunod nilang games dito sa UNTV. Samantala, handang-handa na po ang ating mga teams para sa final game natin ngayong hapon. Ang sagupaan ng DOJ Justice Boosters kontra BFP Firefighters nila Berong the Bombero. We'll now turn you over to Coach Ronnie and Seth.
Sa lahat ng naging partner ni Ryan, Jericho Duniera, si Reyna Villamor, yan ang pinakamadaldal, ano? Puro kaway-kaway lang, ayos din. Kaway-kaway lang.
Meron pa. Paborito si Bero. Pag nilalamangan sila ng kalaban. Pero yan ang bagay na ayaw mangyari ngayon ng firefighters. Ayaw nilang malamangan nitong DOJ. Samantalang itong DOJ na nakukuha ng isang panalo after 3 conferences, looking to build on that and improve their hopes of making it to the next round.
Ang natalo ng DOJ ay ang House of Representatives.
Tama, tambakan yan, ha?
Napalagay ko hindi na rin naaabot going into the next
round. Hindi na talaga.
Itong Group A, tanging laro natin sa Group A, 5 ang team dito, 4 ang papasok. So, lagay ko yung HOR, although masaya silang panoorin, baka hindi talaga umabot. Ano, ha? So, itong game na ito, yung BFP, medyo sinalanta sila ng PNP ng full court press ng BNP.
Ay, naku, hindi sila nakabangon talaga.
Gusto mong umingay itong Makati
Ay,
Coliseum.
sige!
Game, ha? Pakilala na natin mga player. Game na!
Once again, we welcome you back here at the Makati Coliseum as we continue with the first round of the eliminations. In today's main game between the BFP Firefighters in the DOJ Justice Boosters in Season 3 of the UNTV Cup. Here are the protagonists. Let's welcome in first your BFP Firefighters. Number 0, Joselito Suga. Number 2, Adonis Cabais. Number 4, Marlon Centeno. Number 6, Kurt Amores. Number 10, Jason Ocaña. Number 15, Jay Gutierrez. Number 16, Romulo Santos. Number 17, Chris Rosebo. Number 19, Lloyd Francisco. Number 21, Michael Sanchez. And number 28, Roderick Marquez. Their head coach is Ricky Alcantara. Now give it up for your DOJ Justice Boosters. Number 3, Erwin Buenaventura. Number 7, Rogelio Cano. Number 9, Ian Garrido. Number 11, Christopher Tagle. Number 15, Rico Escalante. Number 26, RB Vitero. And number 32, Carlito Lopez. Their head coach is Turo Valenzona. Both teams please meet at center court for the traditional sportsmanship handshake. Let's first meet the starting 5 of your BFP Firefighters. At guard number 0, Joselito Suga. The other guard number 16, Romulo Santos. At center number 10, Jason Ocaña. At forward number 19, Lloyd Francisco. In the other forward number 15, Jay Gutierrez. Here now is the starting lineup of your DOJ Justice Boosters. At guard number 11, Christopher Tagle. The other guard number 26, RB Vitero. At center number 9, Ian Garrido. At forward number 32, Carlito Lopez. In the other forward number 15, Rico Escalante. Officiating this ball game are Bong Pascual, Rigor Buwaron, and Don Arguelles. This is your UNTV Cup. Ito ang bagong game ko.
Ito ang ating third game natin para sa schedule, sa araw na ito. At tayo ay magkakaroon ng break from today, the 16th. Sa 25th na tayo magkakasama-sama ulit.
Mamimiss kita, Seb.
Ha? Pupuntahan na lang kita kung nasaan ka.
Okay.
Okay. Follow up, bakbakan agad sa loob at ang BFP. I'm sure they want to, win today while the DOJ wants to make it Back-to-back. Nice steal by Vitero, who has some quick feet and scores.
First game ng DOJ sa taong 2015. Ang BFP naman, pangalawang laro na pagkatapos...
masalanta ng PNP.
Oo, ang bigat ng pagkatalo nga, 37 points.
Ito na naman. Medyo naunahan. Vitero, back-to-back layups. Medyo careless sa bola at medyo aggressive yung DOJ defense.
Naging problema talaga ito ng Firefighters dun sa kanilang huling laro. Turnovers sila, abilidad nila para ibaba yung bola na maayos.
Curl to the basket. Nothing that time, the DOJ. They have the height.
Si Berong Bombero siya, napapatingin ako.
Nalulungkot. That short stab will not work. Diba? Para siyang coach pala pag pumorma, no? Francisco, nice gather, nice ball fake and all. Hindi lang matapos yung tira. Romulo Santos ended up with nothing there. Ball is on the ground. They grapple with it. Okana gets it away. Sunga has it. And Sunga unable to maintain any authority over the ball.
4 na turnovers na para dito sa Firefighters. One empty possession after the other. Tanging isa pa lamang ang kanilang field goal attempt dito. Mas marami pang tapon ng bola kaysa sa tira.
Si Christopher Tagle ang kanilang natural point guard itong DOJ. Talagang refurbished itong lineup na ito. No?
Oo naman.
Ang nakikita ko nalang familiar name from season 1 is Charlie Buhit. And for a long time, Buhit was the tallest player on this team. But now they've reinforced their lineup a bit. Okana guilty of the foul.
Frustration setting in para dito sa BFP dahil wala pa nga silang opensiba na nakikita rito. 2 personal fouls na yan para kay Okanya.
Wild shot at the basket. They tried to re-establish possession. 5 on the shot clock. Vitero, no angle to work with really. Zip Sidu, yes sirree.
And what made it doubly difficult was he went to his weak side but used his strong hand.
Yeah.
Ang hirap na finish using that reverse spin. And they're on the board right now. They're still behind by 2 at 4 against 2.
Lloyd Francisco finally etching the first 2 points on the board for the BFP rather. I almost said AFP actually. Here comes Vitero, who is their attack man. Francisco. Another spinneroo, no sir. Follow up, no, nothing from Santos. Here comes Tagle. Tagle changing directions. Nice dish to Garrido.
Nice feed.
No basket but free throws for it.
Inantay talaga ni Garrido. Naganap siya ng 3-point play na pagkakataon pero hindi siya nabigyan. He will go to the line for 2 free throws.
Gutierrez guilty of the foul, his first of the game. Centeno comes in for Sanchez. No, I'm wrong. Centeno will come in for Sunga. And Gutierrez will sag out in favor of Sanchez. Free throws for Garrido. Actually, itong DOJ should have had 2 wins already. Remember that game against Malacanang?
Panalo na sila ron. Lamang sila yata ng 5.
Going into the last
1 minute. Last 1 minute, oh.
And then Test the Director General, George Villanueva, didn't believe the news. Decided to pop 2 big threes.
Lamang sila ng 6 pala ron. Game clock winding down na yun. Dahil back-to-back threes nga pala ang pinakawalan ni Sec Joel.
Corner shot will not work for Lloyd Francisco. Ball being fought for. Hook back inside by Okana. Garrido applies the brakes. Here's the bump. The basket kaya? No. And Vitero will visit the free throw line. That's number 4, Marlon Centeno, guilty of the block. We have Amores, coach. The coach of BFP, Ricky Alcantara, shuffling his men early on. He could not do anything in that PNP game. They were completely thrown off.
It was as if a hurricane hit their platform, and eventually They lost not only their front legs, pero yung kanilang hind legs ay bumigay din, Seb. Totally a collapsed stand para doon sa BFP. Everything was on fire, literally, para sa kanilang laron.
On the floor is Carlito Lopez, number 32. Here's a short pass, Garrido. Here comes Lopez in the corner, high up and just an inch short. Centeno picks it up. Here's the run by BFP. Sanchez giving the feed, excellently done. No problem that time for the BFP with Cartojano. I love this name, Cartojano.
3 big combo ito para sa DOJ, Seb, meaning dalawa lang ang pwedeng magbaba. Kaya nga naman tinatakbuhan sila ng BFP.
Sanchez, no need to force it. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Ronnie. Cartojano. This time around, no. Francisco tried to keep it on their turf. It won't stay that way.
Konti ang nasa roster ngayon ni Coach Turing Valenzuela. Hindi ko
Kulang
nakikita sa Reguera, tanging 7.
So, babad lahat dyan. Pati si Turo maglalaro. Diyan ba si Turo?
Nandyan.
Diyan.
Nandyan ba? Oo, nandito.
Oh, taken away. Layup forthcoming for number 21. That is Michael Sanchez. 6-all.
Halos lahat ng baskets dito, Seb, puro layup para sa ating dalawang teams. Transition defense seems to be a problem right now for the blue and the white shirts.
Feeling ko, Ronnie, match na match itong dalawa.
Pwede?
No? Rico Escalante with a curl. Itong DOJ, nag-top-heavy recruitment ito eh, no? Matatangkad ang kinuha nila.
Pero kailangan nila si Reguera kasi yun ang talagang puntos machine nila.
And the ball is lost. Amores' pass ended up being lost. Kurt Amores is the big guy who has some moves. Here's a nice sidestepping motion by Escalante, who has back-to-back hits.
Escalante with 4 straight points as Sanchez
also has 4.
who was not able to explode in that game versus PNP shows us that nice pirouette.
O, sila naman na nagpe-press, Ronnie. Oh.
Kasi nakita nila walang tao itong kapunan ng DOJ. Oh, konti, manipis.
Sunugin mo na.
Yes.
10-8 pa rin lamang ang DOJ. May free throws na mangyayari para kay Garrido.
Dahil nasa over the limit na, Seb. Itong BFP.
Ian Vincent Garrido. Ang official entry niya, nasa NBI pala siya. No? Tangkat na taga-NBI. No?
Parang hindi mo maitago.
Hindi siya pwede mag-undercover. I'm sure naman tayong dalawa hindi magkakaproblema sa immigration down the road. Ano? Kasi DOJ, hagit nila yun. Amores, si Kurt. It doesn't want to bite and drop. Si Berong sabi, depensa. Berong ba? Berong Bombero?
Berong Bombero. Again, 2 free throws para sa DOJ. Warding off foul called on Eusebio.
Parang siyang coach si Berong. Ako, next time ako gumamascot, lalagyan ko ng power magsalita yan.
Pwede mo lagyan ng mic yan. Override.
Sa loob ang miking yan eh.
Oo.
Parang sila pong pagong nung araw.
6 free throw of the first quarter para sa DOJ.
And Vitero had back-to-back hits earlier on bust outs, leak outs if you want, and takes care of the second free throw as well to give them a 5-point lead. Sanchez pops in right quarter. Yes! And he's a lefty at that, right?
He has a different bounce today, Seb, and that makes him a triple threat para sa kanyang koponan.
Michael Joshua Sanchez is a very tall fire truck driver at 6 feet. Centeno, Sanchez, dish to the other side. Nicely done, layup.
That's a classic 3-on-1 fast break situation.
Crispulo Eusebio Jr., admin officer. Tagle being surrounded by Sanchez, the backcourt. Cup, 8-second violation. Took a while to get it across. Arturo Valenzuela has requested for a timeout. Let's use it. 3:27 remaining in the first quarter of play. Alam mo, lakas pa rin ang kutob ko match na match itong dalawang ito.
Sa personnel, Seb.
Oo, no?
Buo siguro, oo. Pero ngayon, tapyas ang roster power ng DOJ.
Hindi kaya nga.
Tapyas na tapyas talagang roster
kasi
power
wala
ng
si
DOJ.
No? Uy, nahulog. Tres.
Unang tres yan. Mga bagay na hindi natin nakita sa BFP doon sa laban sa PNP. Ngayon, lumilitaw.
Kasi wala silang ball eh. Hindi maibaba, hindi maitawid. Ngayon sila naman nagpe-press. Masubukan nga. Into the middle to Garrido. Ian makes his curl. From the blind side, Centeno had a hand on it. Short range shot will not work. But will stay on the side. Will it stay on that side? Ano turo ng referee?
Hindi pwede.
Hello?
Hindi pwede.
Nag-decision yun ngayon. Ano?
Hindi pwede. Sa laro natin, Seb, pwede yan.
Inasinta. Kapos. Medyo minadali yung tira na yan.
May pagod na ako natatanaw sa DOJ dito, Seb.
Nakikita mo na, ha? Kasi buhos yung first five, eh, no? Ilan ang tao ka mo?
Pito.
Here comes Gutierrez back in for the BFP. Jay Vincent Gutierrez started out, and Sanchez will slide back to the bench. Ocaña is all set to return to the ballgame. Marunong ka gumawa ng enye sa computer?
Hindi.
Yan. Tinuruan, may nagturo sa akin yan. Noon. Hindi ko na maulit. Here's Garrido, Tagle for safekeeping. Tagle cuts up the inside. Last touch on Garrido.
What the firefighters are trying to do here is force the DOJ team to play at a faster pace. A faster pace means they will simply run out of gas quicker dahil sa rotation nila ay 7 lamang. Maski anong balanse mo dyan, napakahirap.
Ano sabi mong hindi giniginaw yung Ed Cordero? Yan, nasa gitna ng screens nyo.
Di nga.
Bakit? May bakal na sa dyan? O, natural na bakal.
Bato. Isang blocking cement.
Konting bato. Konting simento.
Monument.
Ed Cordero.
Finally, a basket. Para dito sa blue shirts.
Naghanap na naman kape si Cordero. Kausap na naman yung ating mga katulong at kasama rito.
That's a perfect block para dito sa DOJ.
Ayun, si Ed Cordero po sa gitna. Makabilang. Tagle! Pukul 3. Ayaw. Centeno on rebound. Hello. Sabi niya kayo kanya, talikod ka ba? Bad pass. 1 minute and 15. Ba't nagmamadali lahat? Garrido, hindi na kailangan.
It was a wide open teammate underneath. Gutierrez was all alone on the right side, but
comedy of slight errors on both ends. Ano? Itong BFP, bihira. BFP, GSIS, NHA, laging full roster. Ito yung mga bagong teams natin. We added 3 more teams this year, no?
That's why we have an 11-team tournament divided into 2 groups. One group, 5 teams. The other with 6. Only 4 teams per group will eventually progress to the next round.
At yan po ay ginawa ng bunutan ng opening day sa Mall of Asia. Dinidiin. And Escalante takes care of the basket. He has 6. Dish into the baseline. Escalante passes it to the wrong party. Here's Santos looking for a friend. Here's Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass, right quarter. Right of the right elbow there. Follow up. Ooh, that's a scoop shot that goes really nowhere by Cabayes. But look at this. The ball is still in the hands Oh, well, not for long. Of the BFP. Let's check out this Osteogard Gogalaw 3, courtesy of Centeno, that decides to drop in at the last moment. Aha! Ito, kiti-kiti ito si Bitero eh. And the layup, no problem that time for Erwin Buenaventura.
First points off the bench para dito sa DOJ. Bumalasan ng bahagya. Isa sa dalawang tao na nasa tabi ni Coach Turo Valenzuela kanina, pumasok na, earning his first 2 points.
8 seconds left in the period, and it looks like the DOJ will hang on to the lead as the second quarter starts. So the challenge apparently is to the BFP as to whether they can capitalize on the depleted lineup of the DOJ.
Well, they need to, but they have to be patient. It has to be methodical. It has to be within the system. Right now, they are behind by 2 as we head into the second quarter.
We've got Coach Ronnie Magsanok with us as usual. Di nag-absent dyan.
Sent!
Oo, kaso bakasyon.
Present.
Kaya present. Bakasyon, kaya di walang komplikasyon.
Sent!
O ito, anong bibigay rito? Medyo yung BFP, tama ka, ganda po ito sinabi mo. Huwag kang manggigil baga.
Hindi pwede dahil quality players naman yung naiwan sa DOJ eh.
Ito, yung tatlong kiti-kiti nila, yung Escalante, magaling.
Kaya tignan mo, kinakayod nila sa loob. Dahil alam nila, yun ang lamang nila eh.
Uy, pasok pa rin 8 puntos na yung Escalante.
Kung akala mo hindi sadya yun, tira talaga niya yun. Diba?
Medyo akala mo
may kadyot yung mga tira na itong sa Escalante parate.
Dismalingado. Offensive foul pa ang tawag. Kailangan niya cool. Parang Manny Pacquiao yan, di ba? Lagi yung sinasabi.
Let the game flow.
Lagi sinasabi.
Jab, body shots.
Si Pacquiao ba, nawala na din. Marunong na lang magbasa.
Importante, panalo.
Oo. Yung mga tao gustong laging knockout.
Gusto haymaker.
Yun. Galing ng kuha na yun direct. Mamaya, pakita mo uli yung mamang hindi nagsasalita na yun. Kasangay mo, kinakausap na ni Ryan ngayon yan. Wow nga, yung tira niya, no?
Ikadyot talaga.
Pitik sa dulo. Eto si Santos ang tumanggap. Sidestepping. Nice angle.
He had several steals prior to the close of the first. Could not convert this time. It was a difficult sidestep move for Santos.
Romulo Santos brings them within 2. Ball is lost. Escalante trying to put some spin on the ball. Nothing there. Follow-up won't work that time, and the rebound is secured by Ocaña. Santos to the other end. He needs help. Walang lumapit. Marquez needed a friend there. No look pass. Escalante. Tough angle, but he'll go visit the free throw line. Ito si Kurt Amores checking in. Kung sino naalala ko kay Amores, yung sa Lasal, si Torres.
Tama.
Si Torres, yung malaki.
Pati yung tayo, ano?
Yung body build niya. Ala ko nga si Torres.
The Bear.
In the meantime, Escalante takes care of the first gift shot.
Escalante is the leading scorer right now para dito sa koponan ng DOJ. Escalante with a total of 9 of the 23 points.
Nagda 10 kasi 2 free throws siya.
Tama, 10 na.
Here's the running shot. No, follow up by Amores. Kurt takes care of this. Ito na yung Kurt press.
Sabi mga Seb kanina, Rat Patrol, akin naman, Battle of the Bulge.
Oh.
The frontline clash continues dito sa ating labanang DOJ. At Firefighters nakakalabit sa noo. 2 fouls, rather 2 free throws ibibigay dito ni Santos para dito kay Buenaventura.
In the meantime, 23-21 below the 8-minute mark of the second quarter. And the first gift shot drops in for Erwin Buenaventura. Our ball game now reads 24-21. Second gift shot, no. Wow, free throw guy gets his own miss. Short range, no. And Amores cleans it up. Layup, yes. Francisco taking care of business there. And they regain possession. No, nothing on the short stab. Here comes Tagle. Layup, no. Amores rebound. Forward this time. Ooh, I look over and back. Cartojano. Francisco snaps. No. Amores bulldozes his way through. No. And Escalante picks up the rebound. Buenaventura slowing it down. Tagle. Here's Buenaventura. Escalante, runner. No. And there's a loose ball foul on number 7. That is number 7. That is Rogelio Cano Jr. We're down to 6 minutes and 48 seconds in the second quarter. The Department of Justice is slightly ahead by a point.
At muling nagbabalik itong si Michael Sanchez to restore the campaign of the Firefighters. Open look from the left wing, hindi pumasok.
Roderick Marquez has been trying his earnest best but just can't get it to stay inside the hoop. Here comes Tagle. Over to Garrido, who hasn't really gotten going here. The turnaround is neatly done.
It's too near para dito kay Garrido. Defense has to stay connected dito kay Ian Garrido.
Ilangin mo man lang yan, ha? 26-23, pocket shot from the corner. Francisco has the... Tama yung basa mo, siya yung main gunner nila, no, ha?
They needed that. Ang lalaki ng front line dito ng DOJ. 3 big, eh. Kailangan may tumama sa labas sa BFP.
Tagle's dribble being bothered. The intended behind the back pass goes astray. Here comes Garrido, who catches it in the air. Won't force it yet. Decides to wait. Here's Buenaventura on the outside. Finds the clear view, but it rounds up an air ball. Off the dribble, a foul. Cano with his second straight foul, Centena's back in. Marquez will move out, Centena's back in.
Ang magandang tanong dito, Seb, will the DOJ team be able to protect their personal fouls?
Yes, yun ang issue dyan, eh, no? Cano tracks it down, yes.
Ito yung mga sitwasyon na sabi mo sa mga players mo, hindi tayo pwedeng ma-over the limit dahil being over the limit means may multiple fouls sa mga players mo.
Cano could have faked first. Nice dish. Nice dish.
Perfect pass coming from Michael Sanchez. Waited for the last line defender to commit before giving off that nice last second pass.
To Francisco, no? Tagle tied up, and we will call a jump. Possession arrow pointing in the direction of the BFP. We have Romulo Santos returning. Escalante will return as well for their respective teams.
Ganyang kabilis ang shuffle para dito sa DOJ. Dahil alam nila pag lumamang ng medyo maganda itong BFP, may hirapan silang bumalik, Seth.
Dahil kakulangan ng tao. Ito, nag-uusap ang mga referee. Possession arrow. Baliktad eh. Parang, yeah. And the referees cleared that up. It's the possession of the DOJ. And masyadong aga naman yung attempted ball hawk na yun. Lumabas foul on Chris Pulo Eusebio Jr.
Over-aggressive on the part of the Firefighters. Ayaw mo nga magbigay ng free throw, Seth, dahil makakapahinga rito yung DOJ.
At saka ihinto yung oras, ano?
Okay naman yung ball pressure, but always within the limits of what is legal.
Ay, hindi naman kailangan yung foul na yan, no? Kartuhano, wala. Kuminsan slippage eh.
You have to understand and realize if you need to close out or not. Kung may tira, long close out. Kung wala naman, pwede kang mag-recover shot. Aabangan mo lang yung counter move.
Ito, consequence to free throws, penalty situation ng BFP. Garrido knocks in the first. We're tied at 27.
Garrido with 7. Making a living in the free throw line.
Hindi siya tumitikada sa labas eh, no?
Trabaho ni Reguera talaga yun.
Here's Gutierrez, Sanchez rather, sorry. And the rebound results in a foul.
Sinasabi natin, Seb, na ayaw nila sana na ma-over the limit. Because of ticking-tacky fouls.
No. Yeah, now you
Umpisa ng
mentioned.
second quarter, it
Crystal
allows
clear.
DOJ to recover their second wind.
Missed by Garrido. Francisco is all set to return to the ball game.
Second free throw missed. Out of the last 3 he has attempted, they are 9 of 16 right now from the free throw line. That's below 57%.
Si
Pero ba yun?
Oo. Iniilang niya. Pwede tawagan ng technical yan sa
Parang
bench ni Coro.
may sariling rainmaker si Ibero.
Pero may technical yan kasi nasa bench eh, di ba? Bench ni Coro.
Oo, tama. Pwedeng tatlo na sanang abante rito ng DOJ. Pero sa mga sablay ni Garrido, tanging isa lamang ang kanilang kalamangan.
Ball in the air. Cano. Buenaventura trying to dazzle the defense with the dribble. Tagle. And Buenaventura says, let me try. No. Tagle is free for a 3. It won't go in. Here comes Francisco with a foul. Unnecessary. Escalante.
10 points for Escalante, 7 for Garrido, 8 for Vitero. That's 25 of the 28 points ng DOJ poured in by this triumvirate.
Sila yung bulko eh. No?
Para naman sa Firefighters, makikita natin, of course, itong si Francisco at si Sanchez combining for 14 out of their team's 27.
Si Sanchez may chip in na sa isa, sabi mo nga. Yung iba, yung Amores, 4. We're gonna use a timeout. The score is 28-27, DOJ. Pagkatapos po nitong mga larong ito, nitong the back-to-back swing natin dito sa Makati Coliseum, magbabalik tayo sa ating original home.
Seb, kailangan ko lang sabihin talaga to.
Ano?
Ang cute ng sneakers ni Escalante.
Mamaya po na natin
Tingnan
kasi
mo.
parang Hello Kitty eh.
Manly na manly.
Sige. Pero babalik tayo sa Inares sa
Next week, no?
Sa Pasig, sa 25th. Uy, ganda ng ikot ni Tagle. Hindi lang pumasok. Ayun, direct, bilis mo. Sino may sabing babae lang ang dapat mag-fink? Diba?
Hindi ko nga alam na may ganyang kulay eh.
Bibili ka, no? Huwag kang magsusuot yan.
Sama siguro tingnan. Oo.
Andito malikot si Cantojano.
Pero yan ang paborito kong sneakers eh.
Alin ba yan?
May stripes.
Adidas ba yan?
Adidas.
Pero pink, ano? Hindi mo akalain may basketball shoes na ganyan ng kulay.
Kasi kung pambabae yan, ang laki naman pa niya para sa pambabae, di ba?
Not unless women's basketball. Diba? Sanchez.
Nice pass.
And finally, Amores may have slightly hurt himself, but he seems to be okay. He has 6 points in this first half.
I was about to say this is the lowest scoring game na nakita natin
Today.
ngayong araw na ito.
Today.
Kasi kadalasan, noong quarter pa lang, 30 na agad ang output ng isang koponan eh. Merong bombero defending at the sidelines eh.
Oo nga. And Tagle deflecting that. Balasan yung ginagawa ni Ricky Alcantara, no? Talagang sinashuffle niya lineup niya. Halos gamit niya lahat ng tao actually.
Kasi alam niya, binibilisan nila yung tema eh. Tingnan natin if this will eventually wear down itong DOJ. Tama, sabi ni Bero. 3. Ginaya ni Coach Ricky. O sige, Bero, 3.
Tres tayo. 29-28. BFP lamang na. Kurt Amores. Dispaling natin pasan. Sabi ni Kurt.
Kaya sinasabi ko, Seb, tama ba yung push o over? Zelos yung pagkamada nila sa katatakbo para lang mapagod yung kanilang kalaban.
Sa gitna talagang pukulit. Pero dapat wait eh. No? Tagle, libre sa tres. Papasok na ba? Ayaw pa rin talaga. And Amores will not force the issue this time. Sunga, Francisco.
Oh my.
Wala, no? Wala talagang pupuntahan yun. Wasted possession. Litero, suddenly free throw sa kabila.
What you require is a basic pass. Nothing spectacular.
Ako early. Early too.
Nabubble kasi niya, Seb eh.
So hindi niya na nakontrol.
Kaya nahuli. Sa pagbubble niya, tumingin siya sa bola instead of looking forward. Kaya hindi niya na-recognize na
nasa kanan si Francisco, no? 29-28. We're kind of stuck here for now. And we still are. Look at this. Vitero hooks it in. It won't go in. Rebound battle for. The ball will go and Escalante.
The frontline battle continues. Nakikita natin yung mga missed layups, mga turnovers. Narinig ko yung banggaan sa ilalim. Kaya kita mo yung pawis sila Amores, sila Garrido, nila Escalante. Iba kumpara dun sa maliliit.
Kasi may,
actually, bira kang pawisan dapat dito,
kasi
sir, diba?
May wrestling sa loob eh. May foul. Free throw si Kurt Amores.
And he's fouled at number 98, getting on his first 4 against his Bushers. 2 free throws for Kurt Amores.
Kurt Amores has chipped in 6 points. 3 of 5 from the field, and I've always liked his free throw.
AKA the Bear.
The Bear, Teddy Bear. Pwede rin, Papa Bear.
Kilala ko yun.
Oo nga pala, no? Ikaw talaga, dapat sinama mo na ako ron eh. Diba?
Sinabit lang ako.
Kaya nga, nung gabing yon, kung sinabi mo sa akin kung ano meron talaga, dapat sinama mo na ako ron eh.
Sa far view, ha?
Sasama ako sa'yo. Para lang mang-asar doon sa matangkad na tao kay Papa Bear. Under Escalante, yes sir! It's the shoes, man! It's the shoes!
Pink shoes and all. Escalante continues to terrorize the interior defense.
Ayan. Long shot.
14 points na ba itong si Escalante? 14 and 4 for Escalante. The man in pink, wreaking havoc on the interior defense ng White Shirts.
Oo, siyang source of points, 31 all. 1 minute to go. Up step and pass, Morris.
This game has been well played.
Ito, no?
Maayos yung preparasyon nilang dalawa. You have to give it to DOJ na maski depleted ang kanilang lineup. They managed to stay toe-to-toe.
Escalante said, Tagle, isa pa. Baka ngayon. Finally! Press! Kanina pa eh, no?
0 of 6 prior to that conversion, although siyang chief playmaker ng Blue Shirts.
He's just relieved.
Oo, kita mo yung reaction, di ba? Hindi tuwa eh, kundi relief.
Diyos ko. 15 seconds remaining. Gutierrez trying to control the ball. Ball will stay on that side of the floor. Baseline, yes. Amores
versus Escalante.
That's the big man battle here, and we're done with this first half of play. 35-34. Before we send you into a break, there's a patrol. I am fit, I am it. Delivery by Tagle from the corner. Good battle here, Ronnie.
And I expect this dogfight to spill over to the final half. lamang ng isang firefighters kontra sa DOJ, 35-34.
At Senator Ryan.
And thank you, Coach Ron. At habang nasa halftime break po tayo ngayon, we would like to thank this opportunity para po pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors. Unahin na po natin sa ating unang sponsors. EFS Basketball, yan po ang official ball na ginagamit natin dito sa UNTV Cup. Ostrogard, Go Galaw, Patrol, I am fit, I am it. New Moms, bida nanay with New Moms Malunggay with folic acid capsule. Live it, tibay atay, sarap ng buhay. And UNTV Cup would also like to thank Mayor Paint. You paint more while you pay less. Rhea Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan, may lunas ang karamdaman. Rhea Herbal Food Supplement, dito ka tatagan. And of course, like to thank Waterboy, pure, safe, and clean. And Matt Stone sa mga mahilig pong mag-juice, your health mate and versatile kitchen assistant. And Water Philippines, keeping you healthy while saving your money for increase. Please call 0932-738-4886. At para sa mga avid fan ng UNTV Cup fans, inaanyayahan po namin kayo na mag-like po sa aming Facebook page, www.facebook.com/UNTV Cup. And you can also follow us on Twitter sa mga mahilig naman po mag-tweet at UNTV Cup. And follow nyo din po kami sa Instagram at UNTV Cup_Cup. At huwag nyo po kalimutan ang ating official hashtag UNTV Cup 3. At para lagi po tayong updated sa ating mga games sa UNTV Cup, you can always watch our games real time. Madali lang po yan, www.untvrep.com. At para sa ating third halftime break for today, kikilalanin naman natin ang isa sa mga key players ng BFP Firefighters, ang fire officer na si J. Vincent Gutierrez, here in Heart of a Champion. Isa sa mga key players ng BFP Firefighters ay ang off-guard nito na si J. Vincent Gutierrez. Sa Bureau of Fire Protection, siya ay nagsisilbi bilang fire officer.
Pumasok po ako sa Bureau of Fire noong 2008, July 2008 actually. Nalipat po ako sa current position ko ngayon noong June 2009. So bali, almost 5 years ko na po ginawakan yung position ko ngayon as officer in charge ng Equipment and Motor Vehicle Section. Ang sakop namin ay yung sa pag-program ng mga repair ng sasakyan na mga fire truck, service vehicles, ambulance. Sa akin po dumadaan yun sa iba pang statistics po ng Bureau of Fire Protection nationwide. Karamihan po office works, paperworks like yung mga number of fire trucks, mga status kung ilan po yung serviceable, unserviceable. And at the same time, yung mga pag-program po ng repair, halimbawa nasira po yung mga sasakyan, pinapasa po sa amin yung mga program for repairs. Kami na po yung nagsasubmit for approval po ng head ng office po ng Bureau of Fire Protection.
Nagsimula ang basketball story ni 5'10" firefighter nang siya ay regaluhan ng kanyang ninong.
Yung pagkaalala ko, when I was 7 years old, niregaluhan po ako ni Ninong Rudy Ranyon. Siya po nagregalo sa akin ng bola. Doon po ako nagsimula magka-interest po maglaro ng basketball. Nagpunta po ako ng college. Pumasok po sa Philippine Normal University. Varsity po ako doon for 4 years hanggang mag-graduate po.
Number 15, J. Vincent Gutierrez.
Kaya naman sa paglahok ng BFP Firefighters ngayong Season 3 ng UNTV Cup, ay nagpupursige si FO3 Gutierrez na buong pusong maglaro dahil sa makabuluhang public service advocacy ng Liga na konsepto ni Kuya Daniel Razon.
Nagpapasalamat po kami at nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na makapaglaro sa UNTV at the same time, kung sakaling papalarin kami manalo, siyempre masaya po kami na makakatulong kami dun sa napili naming institusyon na kay Kuya Daniel Razon po. Sana po magtuloy-tuloy po yung programa niyo para sa mga nangangailangan.
Si FO3 J. Vincent Gutierrez, ang public servant na may heart of a champion.
Nice dish. Gutierrez scores.
And with that story, siguradong inspired na naman po ang ating mga kasambahay dahil sa tuwing nakikilala natin ang ating mga players. Dito po sa UNTV Cup, ang pakikiisa nila sa natatanging ligang ito already makes them a heart of a champion in our hearts. At samantala, ipagpapatuloy na po natin ang ating second half ng ating final game for today. Ang paghaharap po ng BFP Firefighters kontra DOJ Justice Boosters. Back to you, Sev and Coach Ron.
Dito tayo magsisimula. 35-34. Dikit ang ating first half. Pupukpukan si Amores, si Escalante. Ronnie, anong nanaig ng first half?
Well, nanaig yung inside game dito ng DOJ upang ma-outscore nila ang BFP na may hawak ng kanilang running game 18-15. Noong first quarter, nakuha naman ng BFP ang unang quarters, ang DOJ ang unang quarter sa pamamagitan ng kanilang tulin.
Wow! Sayang.
Or rather ng BFP pala. Tulin kontra sa lakas sa loob. Yan ang ating bentahe rito. And let's see what gives ito sa ating final half. Merong bombero trying to help out the cause of the firefighters. Now the firefighters are pressing, trying to speed up the game and force itong DOJ to be, kumbaga, to be gassed heading to this final two quarters.
Well said. And Vitero.
Mautak si Vitero sa kasi Taglis.
Okay. Heady point guards eh.
Parehong meron eh.
At saka ang ginagawa ng tackling ngayon, hindi nyo ako mapipress. Nandun na ako, titira ako kayo sa kanto.
Ulitin ko, mahalaga para sa BFP na hindi mag-over the limit. Hindi lamang sa lakas ng kanilang binigay na 12 free throws.
Ng DOJ?
Ng DOJ rather. Then ang BFP, Seb.
Hindi dapat okay. Good
para tuloy-tuloy yung tema ng laro.
Okay, Gutierrez with a step into the passing lane. Got a layup. Bagley brings it across. Ooh, dangerous.
Ano, kita mo yung utak ni Vitero, Seb?
Vitero lost it. And there's a bucket by Pink Shoes.
Excellent pitch.
And nobody can touch my blue suede shoes, sabi ni Elvis Presley. Nobody can touch my
matutuwa
pink
si
shoes.
Waldemar Tibay dito, Seb, sa ganitong klaseng laro.
Matagal na natin na hindi nakikita.
Si Quicksilver. That was...
But we won't see much of him.
Hindi na papasok eh.
Hindi sila papasok.
Very impressive.
Rookie Rookie
correct.
season. Francisco, version number 3. Nope. And the rebound, Lopez. Here's Garrido. Pops from 15. Good line. Hits the iron hard. Hindi naka-establish ng position si Sanchez.
Continues to be the workhorse para dito sa BFP. At ang kanilang 3 best players ay nasa loob ngayon. Sanchez, Francisco, and of course itong si favorite mo, Seb, si Bears, si Amores.
Papa Bear.
Ang laki ni Amores, subalit mas mahaba itong si Garrido, but he will still be called for warding off itong si Amores. Siguro mga 6'6", 6'7" itong si Garrido.
Oo. Almost like a Don Camaso, di ba? Si Don lang mukhang mas matangkad eh, no? Mahaba ang arms ni Don eh.
Yes.
Garrido walks it across the midcourt line. His team down by 3 as of this moment. Here's Escalante. Sends it to the wing. Difficult running shot. Vitero sprawled on the floor, but he'll visit the free throw line.
Moreno is a very clever two-guard. His ability to manufacture shots in traffic gets him to the line time and again.
Manufacture shots indeed.
But he has to shoot better from the line. He's only 2 of 7 from the free throw line. 2 of 7 from the field for a total of 8 points.
May problema yung mechanics.
Sumasabit ba yung
yung hindi isang fluid motion. May preno siya pagtaas eh. Tingnan mo ha. Ayun ha. Pumasok yan ha, pero hindi smooth motion eh. Ang preno niya nasa may ulo niya eh. Amores passing it to the wrong party. Meron ba bang wrong? Ano yun nung araw?
Party line?
Wrong number.
Wrong number. Meron yan.
Party line, pwede ba? Pakibaba.
Party line wala. Dahil dati may mga cross line pa nung nag-umpisa yung mga cellphones.
Oh, good layup. Ganda ng forma ng Francisco.
Lopez could not stay in front. He was still to the side of Francisco. Francisco once again. Another layup. Total of 8 for Francisco.
Si Pero, palagay ko sa totoong buhay, member ng isang dance team. Nice pass to Centeno, to the trailing Sanchez, and we're passing too much. But they wanted to create the opening. Hindi nga, si Berong palagay ko dancer ito sa totoo.
Bakit, Cap?
Wala lang, iba forma niya eh. Iba extension niya eh.
Pero dancer.
Di ba?
Pero dancer. Pero dancer.
In the night. Sabi ng mga taga-UNTV, ano ba kayong dalawa?
Parang may countdown eh, no?
At saka
parang nabuhay si Casey.
Napaka-throwback.
Buti kang throwback lang eh.
It's American Top 40 this week. Di ba, no?
Every tapos yung araw mo, pag hindi mo nalaman yung
patay na rin siya.
number 1 song. Yung anak na niya ngayon ang sikat.
We're counting down to the top 10 songs. Ito na, samantala 41-37. Escalante. Inside Garrido, cross court to the other end. Short, Bitero kulang sa lift, ano?
Tama ang pasa.
Butang kaya! Amores! Yes!
Excellent find coming from Francisco. Amores double pumped his way inside. Biggest hit of the game for any team, a 6-point advantage.
Yes, indeed.
43-37.
Tama ka, yung patience ng BFP umiral na, no? Kanina kasi nanggigigil kasi nakita kulang ng tao.
Tumatakbo sila pero mas kontrolado ngayon.
Huli ni Amores si Garrido. Ito na si Francisco. Pag rumatrat itong Francisco, Centeno, and Sanchez, may pinagpupuntahan ng BFP. Timeout si Toro Valenzuela. Umatras na ang kanyang team. Behind na, 43-37. Timeout!
Substitution, Jason Amaya for Kurt Juarez. 21 seconds on the shot.
Still in the third quarter, 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. It is the Bureau of Fire Protection or Prevention ahead by 6. Here comes Tagle. Escalante, floater, just a tad offline, and he'll visit the free throw area.
And he found the number 20 Oscar Conley, his third personal, 3 on the firefighters. Two free throws for Rico Escalante.
Escalante's first out. Escalante leading the scoring parade for DOJ with 15. Make that 16. The look inside. Sunga unable to handle the hot potato.
Only 1.4 itong kupunan ng DOJ in the last 2.5 minutes.
That free throw by Escalante.
Oo, at yan ang nagiging pasakit para dito sa kanila. Samantalang ang firefighters, they continue to push the pace in the hopes of just burning the fuel tank of the blue shirts. Escalante, once again, going to his strong side, keeping his team on his shoulders and trying to keep itong DOJ alive after winning the very first game in the history of the UNTV Cup.
Against the HOR, no? Medyo matagal na antay yun. Two fruitless seasons, eh?
Halos 2 taon ba yan, sir?
Oh, the pass was read. Lopez's pass and Francisco's pass is read as well. Everybody in a rush as if Christmas returned. Francisco disappointed with that one. There's a foul on Garrido.
18 seconds on the shot.
4 minutes and 20 remaining. Third quarter. They play using that play and it's just now being read by the DOJ cleanly.
Di kaya dahil lalaki nang nasa ilalim eh. Sinalo lang ni Garrido yun.
Trying to create the cut from the baseline but too many tentacles in front of them. Tagle aims. Knocks in the second three and we're tied at 43. Ricky Alcantara wants to talk things over. Boy, this game is all knotted and squared up at 43.
Asa natin, sama. Ano ba gagawin ko dyan?
This is Tagle with his second connection from Rainbow Country and NU Moms Bidang Nanay. Bidang Nanay with NU Moms Malunggay.
They played high percentage all game long. Only the 6th attempt from the 3 para dito sa DOJ, but they have converted already 2 ang BFP nga. 3 beses lang tumira sa 3 set. So kayo rin sa loob talaga ang laban. Even the rebounding battle, halos dikit.
Ganda ng posisyon ni Christopher Tagle. Pare, magugustuhan mo.
Ano?
Bureau of Immigration Confidential Agent.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Hindi ka na confidential. Yung nakita sa UNTV.
Now you have a face.
Now you have a face. Escalante, medyo may gumalaw sa kanya ron, ha? Pero ito na si Gutierrez. Takbo ang BFP. Nahahuli ka. Daming wasted basket. Uy, gandang gather. Nakulang lang. Okana, kinain lang siya ng buhay. Ganda ng depensa ni Okana. All over. Christopher Tagle.
But they have to buy a bucket on the return play. Scoreless in the last 2 minutes itong BFP after posting a 6-point lead, which was their biggest. However, that was countered with a 6-0 blast para sa DOJ, anchored in the 3-point basket itong si Tagle.
Garrido snares the rebound.
Grabe yung pulot ng rebound set.
Itong si Vitero, immigration officer. Baka pag umalis tayo, yun yung nasa
counter.
Nasa counter, no? Vitero, nabuka ka dun.
Dumilhen siya 7.
Ganun ba yan?
Para sumabit. That will be 2 free throws. Definitely an unnecessary foul para kay Vitero.
Romulo Santos and Sanchez are on their way back onto the floor. That's Michael Sanchez pulling out Sunga as well as Cartuhano. Gutierrez will be shooting free throws. I saw Gutierrez. Yes, Gutierrez sinks the first.
Only the 3rd free throw para sa Firefighters in this game. Still perfect from the line are the white shirts.
I see Eusebio waiting for Gutierrez now. And we have Buenaventura returning to the ball game. Eusebio and Buenaventura get matched up. Post play. Nice dish to Vitero, who just couldn't finish. Tip in. No. Escalante. No. Grappling downstairs. Vitero's tied up. He'll probably shoot free throws.
He has to make his free throws.
Yung huli niya, no, split eh, no?
He's been shooting free throws, but we talk about his accuracy. It's only 33% right now for him at 3 of 9.
Natinig ka.
Looking to go 2 out of 2. He is the second leading scorer para dito sa DOJ behind 18 points of Escalante.
Yan, no, may malakas na push siya.
Nakita mo yung rebound na yun, sir. Sabay pinektusan ni Lopez.
46-45 ang ating bilang. It becomes a runner that is a little too sharp when Ventura gets it across over to Escalante. Big shoes and all. No. Mga tawag ko ng twinkle toes.
Pwede.
Nice drive to the basket by Michael Sanchez. Defensive pressure being brought up. Vitero not biting.
Tingnan mo, habulin ni Eusebio itong si Buenaventura.
Turnaround. Now Garrido trying to block it. No. 4 on 1. Yes, Sanchez wanted to go all the way for back-to-back hits now.
They were locked in at 43 for about 3.5 minutes. Suddenly they were behind by a single point. But itong si Michael Sanchez making sure that they continue to fight back to close out the third to try and stay ahead as we approach the final quarter.
Sanchez can't complete the three-point play. The Bureau of Fire Protection pala talaga. Push away by Garrido. Fire protection pala. Ito sa mga t-shirts nila. Ang poprotektahan nila yung mga building environment. In the meantime, miss 1 minute to go. Quintero. Kulang lang ng pectus. Number 9. Francisco with the foul. 19 ang foul. First free throw. Yes.
Quintero continues to be the best slasher para dito sa Blue Shirts.
Oh, no.
And now, it's not the question of whether these 7 players will survive.
They will.
They have survived, and they even have built their own running game.
I agree.
DOJ style.
And suddenly, Vitero getting better from the stripe. Minsan, meron pag pinawisan, lalong gumagaling.
The dogfight continues up to the end of the third.
Oh, yes.
Kala natin, naalago na rito ang BFP. Built a 49, or rather a 43-37 lead.
Santos carving space, ends up with nothing. Shot clock at 6. Better room this time. Yes.
Tough shot.
26 seconds remaining.
Seb, walang duda si Eusebio ang pinakamasipag manghabol.
Oo, no? Siya yung captain. Sa cat and mouse eh. Diba may defense na ganun, yung cat and mouse?
Sa poste, Seb. Tama naman si Eusebio. Palabas na, tumatakbo pa rin ang mabilis.
Merong ganun eh.
Oo.
Sino bang naalala kong player kung tinatawag mo, lumalabas na patakbo? Ako si...
Bihira yun, ha, Seb?
Bihira yun. Minsan may ulo kasi ilalabas. Oh, di ba? Kanya. And a foul. Black foul. Third foul.
Yun ang mabigat eh. Hindi lang yung 2 free throws na ibibigay niya, kundi yung
pangatlong
foul niya.
Nung wala nang halos oras.
Oo, DOJ making a living from the free throw line. 17 made free throws for DOJ. Although they have missed 14, BFP pang-6 at pang-7 free throws pa lamang. Itong parating. First half score lang ito ng ilan sa ating unang dalawang laro sa
Oo nga, ano. Samantala, yung mga young people natin, di maalis. 6 seconds remaining. Santos gives it to Francisco, gets a good clear look, unable to complete it though. BFP ahead by 3. This is going to be a good finish, Ronnie.
Oh, definitely. A dogfight till the end. BFP still staying ahead by a 1 possession advantage.
52-49 to get. Ito, sige. Hantsawan, sigawan. Sige, kunan mo pa.
Agkakaalaman na dito, Seb.
Iba yung style niya. No? Sigaw kayo, tapos igaganon ko.
Sino ba ako pa na naakyat sa 2 and 2? O
Sino
ako
ba?
pa na nabababa sa 1 and 3?
Okay. Ito, basa mo going into the stretch. Okay na, nasabi mo na survive ng DOJ. Hanggang saan sila papalo rito?
Well, naniniwala ako na yung team na makakuha ng mini run, Sir, dito sa bandang umpisa, malaking advantage.
Uy, ganda ng shake and bake! Libre sa ilalim. Sino ba naka-score finally? Si Lopez.
I thought that last attempt by Francisco was big para sa BFP. Kung pumasok yun.
Sabog yun.
Oo.
Ito na. Hindi nakuha kanina lang. Pero iba yung buwelo eh, no?
Tapos nakuha mo yan, ilan na yung abante mo, 7 na.
4 ang lamang ng BFP. At Amores, nasukit ang bola. Ito na, takbuhan, Gutierrez, Sanchez, and a foul by Buenaventura.
Sanchez has to work hard for every point. 10 points, 5 of 13, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, another overall workhorse performance for Michael Sanchez.
Alam mo, hindi masamang team itong BFP. Actually, nabulagtalan talaga. Naunahan ng BNP. Kasi yung BNP, matagal hindi naglaro, ano?
Yes.
Kondisyon eh. At na balasa na halikot na rin ni Estong Ballesteros yung team na yon. Tawag ko pala ng style ng laro dito. So, subukan natin to. Ekumlik, no?
Yes. Pressing niya defense ni Coach Estong.
Strong. Uy, ganda ng pasa! Ganda pipwesto without the ball itong Lopez eh.
Kasi alam niya yung focus ng attention na kay Garrido. Lalo na sa Escalante. Kita mo yung pawis. Medyo pagod na rin.
Amores, hindi ma-land ang basket. Buenaventura. Escalante says, let's not rush it. Quintero. To Garrido. He's on the ground. Shot clock at 14. Buenaventura thought about it. Lets it fly. Almost. It's a good shot. Clear view. Meron akong palaro every Tuesday and Thursday. Pwede ba pagkatulog? Sorry, sir. Good look. Sorry ka na, sorry. Paulit, naiinis na siya. Good look sabi.
Ano ba ang good looks ng ating dalawang teams?
Diba?
28% for DOJ, 47% para sa fire protection.
Full maglaro ng Amores. Parang talaga siya si Torres ng Lasal. Naglalaro ba sa D-League yun?
Yes, para sa Cebuana. Ni Coach Boise.
Oh! Running attempt. Ito, bakbakan ng gandulo to. Kay lalayo. 58-55, Cartojano, ayaw, rebound, pinaglalabanan, nasungkit ni Lopez, finally nasa kamay ni Tagle.
Na nagbabalik muli at pinahinga naman si Vitero. Ang hirap mag-shuffle ng ganyan.
Dalawa, no? Escalante does not force it. Shot
better
clock.
Defense for Sanchez.
Yep, shot clock, forcing that bad shot. Shot clock continues to tick away. Garrido has no idea. And it finally expires. Tutuloy sana ni Ricky Alcantara pero hindi na. Completed expiration of the shot clock.
Alam mo, for some coaches, they feel the pressure more because kalaban nila konti lang.
Oo naman.
And that's why yung anxiety level is higher dun sa part ng kompletong team. Dahil if you look at it, yung advantage nasa iyo. Pero minsan hindi ganun ang balance eh.
Pero bilib ako sa'yo. 5 dati, nagawa mo. 5 nga ba? 5.
6.
Kala ko bibihis ka na.
Overage eh.
Ano ba number mo nun sa Sembeda?
5.
Bernie Fabiosa?
Abed Kidabi ng Bernie Fabiosa.
Amores with 2 free throws.
Six of 10 are the firefighters compared to the 17 of 31 from the line ng DOJ.
Amores, neat shot, makes it a 4-point lead. Huli. Centeno stepping into the passing path. No dividends. Nice lead pass. Escalante twirling at the right moment. Wow, 2-point game, 1 possession battle. Sanchez makes it 2 possessions.
Ang hirap ng tira ni Michael Sanchez.
Ooh, Cartojano with a foul.
No need to.
Okay.
One of the firefighters.
Six minutes and 39 remaining. In a well-fought basketball game. 3. Tagle with his 3rd of the day.
That's the importance of getting a few minutes of rest.
Yung legs mo, yung system mo.
Yung hinga mo.
Yung hinga mo.
At saka ang depensa ngayon ay nakatuon na kay Escalante at kay Garrido at Lopez.
We have Gutierrez returning to the ball game. Francisco will get a breather, and this is Sanchez who is down on the floor.
Masama yung bagsak niya, Sev, dahil
hamstring.
Tingnan natin. Umawak agad siya, no?
Hamstring, no? Yung nagka-hamstring ka ba?
Sakit yan. Yan ang unang injury ko sa PBA.
Yan ang, yung parang hinila yung ano mo, no?
Parang pumutok yung likod ng hita mo.
Pero at saka walang gamot, ano?
Wala kundi pahinga. Sambuang pahinga.
Rookie season mo yun?
Yes.
85?
88.
88.
Lloyd Francisco coming in for Michael Sanchez.
This will be a cause for concern for Coach Ricky Alcantara. His best player is down right now.
Two-way player pa.
Sinabi mo.
Diba? Two-way player.
Di makagalaw eh.
Hamstring ito. May parang kuryente yan eh, no? Putok.
Parang may sumasaksak sa hita mo. Ay, nako. Meron.
It's not a joy. Now, no injury is joyful, but you know, this one is terrorizing, torturing. Okay, game has to continue though.
18 seconds
on the shot clock, as it has just been announced, 18 seconds remain.
Alam mo, Seth, habang tumatagal, lalo lumalamig dito sa Makati.
Kanina, lusot na eh. No?
Ito, ramdam natin.
Sinabi ko na last time, dala ng jacket.
My bad.
Oh!
Hindi good look eh.
Francisco nearly had it yanked away. He's on the other corner. They can't see him. 5 on the shot clock. Now he's open. He's clear look. No.
They have to rely on Centeno right now to be the point guard para sa kanila. Yung kanilang quarterback will be out of commission. Pero Ricky Sanchez, naglalakad na.
Naglalakad, sinisipa.
Grabe namang gamot yan.
Baka si Berong may ginawa. Amores flies. Oh, lefty stab.
Excellent catch. Even better pivot on the catch for Amores. Amores. 19 na. Grabe yung duel ni Amores at ni Escalante.
Si Amores, hindi ko lang alam kung ilang edad to. 6'4 siya.
Oo.
Kaya naglaro yun tayo. Unheard of. Tagle.
We couldn't find the bucket early on, but right now he's been on target.
Tagle strips it away. Vitero is also there. Here comes Tagle. Tagle does not force the issue. 63-62. This is a decisive, definitive game. Could decide where everybody's future will be in the next couple of weeks. Escalante is free on the other wing. Oh, he pockets it.
Anytime he goes left, he's lethal. 4 straight points para dito sa Blue Shirts. And now, they're back in the driver's seat.
And coming down below the 5-minute mark, Gutierrez thought about it. Not the time to take a crack at it. Amores restores order and the lead back to the BFP. 21 na yung Amores?
Oo. 15 si Francisco, 13 si Sanchez.
Maraming close range na tira si Amores.
Pero contested siya, hindi madali dyan. Ang lalaki ng DOJ.
Escalante. No. Ilang rebounds yung Amores. Marami-rami na rin siya. Hindi aabutan na si Teno. 4:26 na natitira rito. Sungas back in. Check out this neatly done livid tibay yata sarap ng buhay 3-point connection. Viteros baseline heave. No. Garrido. Ooh, interesting. It will stay with the DOJ. It looked like Garrido touched it last. Tagle, shake, bake. No, offline. Amores, Pukol.
Excellent stop coming from Tagle.
Kuminsan madaling analysis is dapat finig. Kuminsan buwelo minsan momentum no? Nakita niya sa corner of his eye siguro na ando na no? Tumakbo na
Nasa ang alam ko, pamantayan ko ayaw nilang magkamali. Pag nagkamali, hindi sinasadya. Kaya lang kailangan mong sabihan para hindi na nga mahuli.
Hindi na mahuli. Para maging muscle memory, at saka mental memory. Mental na memory pa. In the meantime,
kailangan i-reboot
Ito yung Lopez, may contribution din yan. Ahay! Garrido, sidestep. Ayaw! Sino itong naghihiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan? Si Vitero, no?
Namumulot sa ilalim si Vitero, but he has to make important free throws right now. 6 of 13. Below 50% for Vitero. He has accounted for 15 overall.
Si RB Vitero, kung sa volleyball yan, quick yan.
Pwede.
Ang bilis yan lumundag. Dumiliver.
Tabla tayo.
Ayaw. Vitero. Escalante. Tagle. Yeah! Yeah!
Bigat.
That is 4 of 7 by Christopher Tagle. And what a ball game. Still far from over. Check out this Osteogard. Huge Gogolao 3-point shot from Christopher Tagle, which has now made the ballgame 68-65. Another nail biter here at the UNTV Cup. Corner shot, Francisco. It won't go, a little too strong. And the rebound is secured by Lopez. Carlito Lopez has plucked some crucial rebounds in this game. Here's Tagle. No shot bigger than the one he heaved earlier. He's momentarily open. Does not force it. Sent outside to Escalante, but if he touches it, it's a backing violation.
Backing violation.
And with 2:49 to go, 68-65 with 3-point affair. Still no clear winner yet. Amores. Sunga. Setup job for Francisco. Corner. No. Sunga reclaims it. Goes up. No. Rebound contested in the hands of Vitero. Boy, BFP suddenly can't hit the target. Here's Vitero. Escalante getting to the top of the key. Here's a corner shot. Tagle. Yes! Christopher Tagle with huge 3-point bombs. Ball knocked away. And it's now 71-65. Suddenly, the BFP cannot hit the target. And they now are being egged on to hold on to the ball if they reobtain possession. Approaching the 2-minute mark. Brought to you by Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan, may lunas ang karamdaman. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Dito, katatagal. The fully loaded BFP team now facing a big crisis against this DOJ team. Here comes Garrido. Twirling, twirling. Escalante, yes! And we've got a timeout. Suddenly, it is a huge 8-0 run. Here's the patrol. I am fit, I am it. Tagle with some huge threes. Two of them. Ilan siya total mula sa Bayan ng Tres?
Si Tagle,
4 of 7.
At 2 backbreakers. Pinakawalan dito ni Tagle. At
mga BFP no?
Ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan. Sinabi natin, Seb, yung isang major run will be
decisive.
Oh. This is exactly what we're seeing of the undermanned DOJ squad.
Vis-a-vis the fully loaded BFP side. Vitero and company have 7-second shot clock, that is. Garrido, it won't drop. Rebound contested. Fought for Vitero, crashing into Gutierrez. Boy, the BFP has a the entire bench is a forlorn
Nakita
look.
ko si Michael Sanchez, Seb, on my way to the restroom earlier. Sina-check yung kaliwang tuhod niya.
Tuhod na.
Oo, narinig ko. May sinabi siya na kanina parang bumigay daw pero pagbalik niya okay naman. Kaya lang, yung pagkawala talaga niya, naging malaking bahagi dito sa meltdown ng blue white shirts.
Simply a great two-way player. Now it's a for last resort as suddenly BFP has to launch from 3-point distance. And there's a steal. Amores, no fear, got it. It is a 6-point game.
Wala man lang sumigaw ng behind para kay Tagle.
Oo nga, no? Ako conscious ako dyan.
Oh!
Sisigaw ako ng behind dyan.
Ito yung mga sitwasyon na kung saan yung pagiging hindi over the limit nagiging disadvantage. They're still a foul away from being over the limit. Timeout muna rito si
Coach Turo.
Coach Turo.
Babalik tayo.
Okay, panel tayo. Come on, go. Don't give up. Push na ito yung bola.
Good coaching piece from Ricky Alcantraz. There's a new moms, Bidang Nanay with new moms, Malunggay, 3-point shot. Ronnie, ano implications? Let's say makahangon ng DOJ dito.
Nako, ang DOJ mabubuhay ang chance na makatawid sa next phase. Kung di ako nagkakamali, manalo sila ngayon, tawid na sila. Pero itong BFP naman, hindi rin naman malalaglag dahil ang kanilang katunggal HOR.
Pero last game nila to.
Correct, so pasok pa rin sila.
Oo.
Pero sino ang kalaban ng HOR? Malacanang. O aasa sila na hindi na manalo ang HOR.
Ayaw. Francisco gets it to Crowlin. It's a 4-point game. Make chance. Slim, but with a chance. Lopez. Escalante can seal it. He does.
Very smart pass coming from Lopez. No hero basketball, simply moving the ball to an open teammate.
You don't need to foul here. And that'll do it. A huge win. A come from behind win by the DOJ. There, it was just a 1-point deficit, but Tagle, huge 3-point shots.
Unbelievable marksmanship for Tagle in the final half. The solitary point guard creating havoc, restoring sanity to their campaign, helping the DOJ with only 7 men in the roster beat the challenge of the Fire Protectors.
You know, the big players take the big shots when the game is on the line.
He's been trying since the first half, connected in the second half, hit 2 big baskets down the stretch to lift the Blue Shirts on top laban dito sa White Shirts.
Christopher Tagle is our best player and he is with Riot.
Alright, thank you Coach Ronnie and Seb. Nandito kasama natin ngayon si Christopher Tagle. Alam mo, you're like an eagle soaring. Maganda yung tawag sa Christopher the Eagle Tagle. Congratulations once again to DOJ. Ano ang naging susi sa inyong panalo?
Actually, hindi ko alam eh. Dahil pare-parehas kaming wala talagang practice. So, mga first quarter talagang wala. Hindi namin alam ang gagawin namin. Nagkakagulo-gulo kami. Siyempre, dumaan ang Pasko, New Year. Daming ano. Kaya masabi ko, maraming salamat, nanalo kami. Kahit hindi pa kami nakapag-practice masyado.
Sa lagay niya, wala pang practice yun na.
At kulang-kulang din kami player. Pipito lang yata kami, nakakapagod talaga. Yun lang.
Ano naging mindset mo kanina kasi nakita natin sa iyong laro, kalmado ka kanina?
Medyo nag-focus na ako ng third and fourth. Sabi ko sana swertein naman kahit paano. Dahil gusto rin talaga namin manalo. Kaya kami nandito.
Sige, message mo sa mga lahat ng fans ng DOJ Justice Boosters dahil ito na ang inyong pangalawang panalo sa history ng UNTV Cup.
Ano yan?
Salamatan.
Maraming salamat sa mga suporta. Sa UNTV na mga nanonood dito. Sana pagpatuloy niyo po mga ito. Napakagandang liga po ng UNTV Cup Season 3.
Once again, thank you so much, Christopher Tagle, and good luck sa inyong mga susunod na game. And once again, congratulations po sa DOJ Justice Boosters sa kanilang pangalawang panalo. At mataas po ang ating triple header ngayon. Silipin muna natin ang ating team standings. Sa Group A, we have here, of course, leading pa rin ang Malacanang Pictures with 3-0. Sinusundan ng PNP Responders 3-1, DOJ Justice Boosters 2-2, BFP Firefighters 1-3 at HRR Solons nasa huli with 0-3. At silipin naman natin ang Group B. Nanguna pa rin po dyan ang undefeated Judiciary Mages with 5-0. Senate Defenders 3-1, AFP Cavaliers 2-2, the GSIS Furies 2-3, MMDA Black Wolves 1-3, and the NHA Builders na nasa huli pa rin po, na wala pa rin pong panalo. And that wraps up the 8-game day of the UNTV Cup Season 3. Abangan natin po next Sunday ang huling game day ng ating first round eliminations live po sa Inares Sports Arena. Kaya abangan nyo muli ang matitinding hardcore battle next week dito pa rin sa Naibang Basketball League with a hard-pulled public service, ang Liga ng mga Public Servants, ang UNTV Cup. Muli po, ito yung ka-sports. Ryan Ramos on behalf of the men and women behind UNTV Cup. Thank you for watching and good evening.